स्टार्ट करते. सगळ्यांनी काय करायचंय, चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये आपली नावं टाईप करायची. ओके, आज किती तारीख आहे?
5.
हा. So I will share the screen and we will start with the photodiode. Today we are going to study photodiode. Okay. So what is photodiode? Can anybody tell me, have you heard of photodiode? Have you heard of photodiode? Have you heard of photodiode? ऐकलंय का तुम्ही फोटोडायोड बद्दल?
येस मॅम, येस मॅम.
काय असतो तो?
कन्वर्ट लाईट इंटू करंट.
Converts light into current. Correct, exactly correct. Okay, the photodiode is a PN junction semiconductor diode. Okay, this type of diode produces current proportional to the intensity of light incident on it. So that is what a photodiode is. Okay, so let us write here in short. What is photodiode? It is semiconductor diode. Semiconductor diode producing current proportional to light incident on it. Incident means light falling on it. So this is what is the photodiode is. Okay, photodiode ची जर डेफिनेशन विचारली कोणी तर तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे की हा photodiode आहे. ओके, सो लेट अस ड्रॉ कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस photodiode. Let us draw diagram. माझ्या बरोबर वहीमध्ये लिहित जायचं बरं का, नाही तर काय शिकवतो आपण, काय शिकतो याचं काही तारतम्य राहणार नाही मुलांनो. ओके, तुमच्या वहीत हे सगळं असलं पाहिजे. सगळ्यांनी डायग्राम काढून घ्या. मायनस प्लस जे काही जसं मी काढते तसं व्यवस्थित डायग्राम काढायची, कारण डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह एक्झाम मध्ये तुम्हाला ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी लागत असतात. ओके, ओ चांदगुडे इथे हे करू नका, दरवाजा बंद करा बरं माझा. कितीदा सांगितलं तर लोकांना समजतच नाही, डिस्टर्ब करत राहतात. This is your P side and this is N side. Okay. And what are these? These are electron hole pairs. Electron hole pairs. So this is how the diode is constructed. So this is a construction diagram. झालं लिहून? झालं का?
हो मॅम.
हा. आता तुम्हाला डायग्राम मध्ये काय दिसतंय? What you can observe in the diagram? How is diode? In which type of bias it is there?
Reverse bias.
Reverse bias. Very good. So photodiode is also always used in reverse bias condition. Reverse bias condition. What do you mean by reverse bias condition? What do you mean by reverse bias condition? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me what do you mean by reverse bias condition? When P side of the diode is connected to negative terminal of battery. Here you can observe P side of the diode is connected to the negative terminal of battery and N side of the diode is connected to positive terminal of battery. So if you connect external battery in opposite direction, okay, then it is called as a reverse bias condition. That is negative to P and positive to N. Okay. So photodiode is always used in reverse bias condition. Now, in the construction of the photodiode, what you can observe, there is a transparent window. So this window, I'm showing the portion with the spotlight. This is the window, which is a transparent window. And through this transparent window, you can allow light to fall on the PN junction. Okay. So always photodiode has transparent window to allow light to fall on the PN junction. Okay. Now let us see what happens when light falls on the PN junction. So as you can observe here, when diode is in reverse bias condition, the width of the depletion layer is greater. Okay, how it is? It is greater. And number of hole pairs, number of electron hole pairs which are present in the depletion layer, they will also be more. Now what happens? Through the window, the light falls on the junction of the photodiode. And when light falls on the junction of the photodiode, you can observe that electron hole pair, what they will do, they will absorb the light. And all of you know, light consists of photons. So these photons will be incident on the PN junction or on the depletion layer where a pair of electrons and holes is present. And when photon strikes such electron hole pair, what happens? The energy of the photon will be imparted to the electron hole pair and they separate out. So electron hole pair, they will get energy and they separate out. And when they separate out, the mobile charge carriers are released in the PN junction. So holes are released and electrons are released. So as a result, number of mobile charge carriers will increase in the PN junction, which will constitute the current flowing through the device. And as you can see, as more number of photons are incident on the PN junction, more number of electron hole pairs release mobile charge carriers and more current flows through it. So current flowing through the photodiode depends on the number of photons, and number of photons means intensity of light. So if you increase the intensity of light, then current flowing through the photodiode will increase. Okay, so are you clear about this?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I'm going to write in a short the working principle. So when light is incident, when light is incident, when light is incident, electron hole pair get energy from photon and separated as mobile charge carriers constituting current through the diode. Okay, so this is what you can write about the working principle of your photodiode. So when light is incident, electron hole pair get energy. When light is incident, electron hole pair get energy. Electron hole pair get energy from photon and get separated as mobile charge carriers. Okay, constituting current through the diode. Okay, so here what you can say, the current flowing through the diode, current diode is directly proportional to light intensity. Okay, so current flowing through the diode is directly proportional to light intensity. So you should know this. Okay, so now can anybody tell me what is the application of photodiode? हे लिहून घ्या बरं का सगळ्यांनी. हे सगळ्यांनी लिहून घ्या. लिहून झालं की सांगा, मी हे पुसून टाकणार आहे आता. लिहून झालं सगळ्यांचं, पटकन सांगा.
Done, ma'am.
मग मी हे क्लिअर करते. ओके, सो बिफोर गोइंग टू ऍप्लिकेशन, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट वन ऑफ द important parameter of the photodiode, and it is called as dark current. Can you guess what the dark current will be? It is very logical. Dark म्हणजे काय? डार्क म्हणजे काय? डार्कचा अर्थ काय? बोला पटपट. डार्कचा अर्थ काय मुलांनो? मराठीत अर्थ सांगा बरं डार्कचा. नाही सांगता येत? इंग्लिश शिकलोय ना आपण. डार्कचा अर्थ अंधार होतो, अंधार. डार्क करंट म्हणजे काय मग? अंधारातलं करंट. म्हणजे कसं डिफाइन करणार? It is the current flowing through a photodiode when there is no incident light on it. हे डिफाइन करता आलं पाहिजे बरं का. डार्क करंट म्हणजे जेव्हा डिव्हाइस वरती अजिबात लाईट इन्सिडेंट नसतो त्यावेळेचा जो करंट आहे त्या करंटला डार्क करंट असं नाव आहे. ओके, केवढं सोपं आहे बघा. इट इज करंट फ्लोईंग. It is current flowing through. It is current flowing through a photodiode when no current, no light, sorry, no light, no light is incident on it. Okay, it is the current flowing through a photodiode when no light is incident on it. अंधार असताना जो करंट फोटोडायोड मधून वाहतो त्या करंटला डार्क करंट असं नाव आहे. किती सोपं आहे लक्षात ठेवायला. ओके, सो डार्क करंट म्हणजे काय आहे. हा रिव्हर्स सॅच्युरेशन करंट आहे कारण नेहमी रिव्हर्स बायस मध्ये वापरतो आपण हा डायोड. It is reverse saturation current. कोण annotate करताय. It is a reverse saturation current. Okay. So now let us write about the applications of the photodiode. So basically what photodiode has capability, it has capability of sensing the light. Okay, it can sense the presence of light and therefore we use such diode in various applications where the light sensing is required. Okay, so the first application is in camera. For camera sensing light, the photodiode is used. The second application is in fiber optic receiver. Fiber optic communication, do you know about this? In case of
Yes, ma'am.
in case of fiber optic communication, we can communicate information from one place to another place with help of light and not with help of electric current. Okay,